Hey guys, we're back, and today I'm gonna be doing a Minecraft Pocket Edition tutorial build, and I'll be doing a food truck. So let's get started. Okay, let's go check it out. So these are the menus. This is like where you stand and ask for, and then they give it to you. Pew pew. This is where you come in the back door. I just have some leaves, some plants there, because I couldn't put it nowhere else. I mean, but these are the storages. And then this is where you just stand and I don't want your food. You have to buy from me. Well, actually, you don't say that, but I'm just saying. And then here the driver's seat. And it's dark. You turn on the lights. It looks much better in the dark. But let's get started. So guys, when you find the place where you're gonna do it, I'm gonna build it right here. Just right next to my other one. You are gonna need black wall, red wall, orange wall. You are gonna need a button, quartz slabs, a lever, a lamp, and the most special thing, glass. And then I'll just add a little fix right here, guys. That I kind of missed, but I'll be right back when I add that. So, guys, I just fixed a little problem. I said that's how it's supposed to have it. It has supposed to have those another brick stick. I don't know what it's called, but whenever you get them, you're gonna put a black wall. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one you put. And then here you just do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So then here you could just do again 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after you're done doing that, guys, you're gonna put a button in each block from outside where you can see it. And after that, you are gonna want to fill this whole place of it, like all of it, yes, all of it. So I'll be right back when I do it. So guys, that's how it's supposed to look. And after that, you're just gonna get a red and put it over. But before you do that, you're gonna wanna put a slab at your front part where the where you're gonna be driving, and then go like this, guys. Wait. I did it all wrong here. You're gonna wanna go like that. You don't want no part, and you do not want it there. And then after that, guys, so you're gonna get the second one and start to place it like that. And then you just put one hole right like that so you can finish, so you could hurry up. And then after that, you're gonna put 3 right there and 2 right here. And just put it in like that so you could have 3 spaces for the workers to see really good. And after that, you just want to fill up all of this. So you're doing it again, but actually all over it. And you guys think, yeah, you have to put it back. So after that, you'll have it like this. And then when you're done, you wanna put out of this, so I'll be right back when I'm done. I know I'm keep on finding it, but I'm just doing that so I won't waste a lot of time in this video. So after you're done with that part, guys, I'm gonna hurry up with this part right here. I'm gonna go like that. You're gonna wanna go like that. Just 2 forward. Like you get these 3 parts, and then 1 more from the side. And here, you're gonna put it down like that, guys. Yes. Like that. Like that. Guys, I'll be right back. I gotta do something. So guys, I'm back and I just got inside here. So after you're gonna run over this part and just get block and just go boom 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 boom. Slabs everywhere in the house. Quartz are fancy, people. Quartz. So yeah, it's like this, guys. Right now we'll do that front part, and it started raining for some. So wait here. No, it's not gonna wait here. So after the quartz, guys, you are gonna want to get at least 2 chests here and 1 chest there, so you can store it. And you are gonna want to get oak fences and get your 2 buttons. Wait, that's not where you put your button. And then over here, guys, I know I'm going too fast, and I'm liking it. You're gonna put your lamps here so we can hurry up, guys. I don't have that much time. You're gonna want to get some ladders and go like that. Go back inside. Put your levers here and here, and then you're gonna get your another brick stairs, and then just go boom, boom. So we're done with the inside and everything. Just want to do the menu. That is mostly the only thing that we need to do now. Nope, we're not. And then you're gonna get another brick fence. Yes, it's another brick fence. Now I said the right thing. And mostly you're done. Just get rid of all your stuff. Get that. Do it quick, so you can't, because you're gonna need to go to your food. I'll just get whatever you want. I don't really care, guys. Bread, get some chicken, get some steak. I'm gonna get I know. Pick whatever you guys want. I don't really care. Doritos are on sale now, guys. If I really had to. Be healthy, guys. Real healthy. So there you go, guys. My food truck. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yay. Guys, I said that in the wrong moment, but guys, like, share, and comment down below. Click that big red subscribe button, and go click that thumbs up, and share it so we can share this awesome tutorial I showed you guys. Boom, 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 boom. Batman. Just kidding, guys. But I'll make more Batman series if you guys want more. So yeah. And thanks. I've been getting someone named Natalie. Has been putting comments on it. Some nice ones, and she liked them, and she subscribed. But thank you everyone who subscribed and liked. See you guys next time. Click that thumbs up for me, please.